How to fix lag and packet burst in Call of Duty. Black Ops 7. Hey everyone! If your Black Ops 7 is lagging, stuttering, or constantly showing packet burst icons, don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a few quick and effective fixes that usually solve the problem right away. Just follow each step carefully. Before jumping into advanced fixes, let's make sure your PC is using the correct connection settings. Go to the Windows search bar and type View Network Connections. Open the result that appears. Find your current network, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and double-click it. Click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and open Properties again. Now update your DNS settings. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Under that, choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter. Preferred DNS, 1.1.1.1 alternate DNS, 1.0.0.1. Click OK to save everything. A correct DNS setup can instantly reduce packet burst and stabilize your connection in-game. Now we're going to clear out old network data that might be causing lag spikes and refresh your network through CMD. Go back to the search bar and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. When the window opens, type this command and press Enter, ipconfig/flushdians. Once that finishes, type this next command. Netch winsock reset. Press Enter again to complete the reset. This clears outdated network configurations and often fixes packet burst instantly. Final step, restart your PC. After running these commands, simply restart your computer. Once you're back on your desktop, launch Black Ops 7 again. The lag and packet burst issues should now be completely gone or greatly reduced. And that's it. If this helped you fix the lag in Black Ops 7, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick gaming fixes and tutorials.